Hello everybody, thank you for tuning into my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of my mystery tackle box that I just got in the mail. I recently switched from the Elite to the Pro, and this is going to be an unboxing of my first Pro box Inshore tackle. So here we go. So first of all, what have we got here? This is what's inside. Live target hybrid shrimp 1449. The cotton pencil popper. Let's see what we got. Oh, not bad. What does this say? Ghost 4-pack. Shimmer swimmer. Next is a swim trout trick. Z-Man. Used these before. They're actually pretty good. Live target hybrid shrimp. This is the one that said it was about $14.49. Let's see the specs on this. It says size is 4 inches, weight is a half ounce weight on this one. This is the one I was looking at. This is the cotton pencil popper. It's a pretty big one. Got a popper here. And must add 2 of these half ounce. It's not too bad. Mystery tackle boxes. Usual sticker inserts.